best self-cleaning cat litter box. Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. So, guys, here I'm back with another outstanding video, and this video can be a source of gift to your pet cats. In this video, I'm going to give you the best possible recommendations for self-cleaning cat litter boxes that you can have at an affordable price range. So, watch this video till the end for appropriate details, and yes, do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, let's have a look at the first one, and let's see what we have at this number. Number 1. Arm & Hammer Large Sifting Litter Pan. Well, you all can understand the situation, as cat lovers can't leave their cats for a while. So if you are on the hunt with your cat and looking for a budget-pleasant self-cleansing litter container, you must remember the Arm & Hammer Large Sifting Litter Pan, and you will find it a friend once you purchase it for your lovely cat, as this litter box will relieve your tension. This self-cleaning cat litter box is particularly low-tech with no batteries or energy required and gets rid of the required task to scoop out waste. Its smart shape lets the clutter get through fast and easily, even as its compact length is good for flats and smaller homes. This litter box comes entire with bolstered antimicrobial plastic pans and a sifting tray. When it is time to wash the clutter container, unload the grimy litter from the above side of the pan into the empty pan with the sifting tray on a pinnacle. Then elevate the sifting tray to sift out the clumps and eliminate the waste, after which transfer the pans. Now, the wiped clean litter can be on the pinnacle, accompanied through the sifter, an empty pan at the bottom. So, this is quite easy to use this litter box, and your cat can learn so quickly to litter herself without your help. And it is also very easy to clean out the litter box. And the best part is you can get this at a very affordable price. Now, let's talk about the next one, and let's see what we have at this number. Number 2. PetSafe ScoopFree. Now, if we talk about another self-cleaning cat litter box, then we have another best option which you can get with an automatic system. PetSafe ScoopFree Ultra Automatic Self-Cleaning Litter Box proved dependable in our testing. This exceptional promoting product is most preferred amongst pussycat proprietors for a reason. It receives rid of waste automatically so that you do not should clean, scoop, or top of the container for weeks. All you require to do is plug it into the nearest outlet and select whether or not you need the cleansing cycle to kick in 5, 10, or 15 minutes after it senses your cat leaving the field. The sensor additionally tracks how usually your cat makes use of the field, which also allows you to check their health. The ScoopFree Ultra makes use of leak evidence disposable trays with plastic lining. Every few weeks, you could eliminate the tray, toss it out, and update it with a brand new one. To maintain odors at bay, PetSafe recommends the use of its crystal litter, which dehydrates stable waste and absorbs the liquid litter. A hooded cowl is likewise encouraged to assist manage instant smells and hold cat muddles from spilling out. If you are searching out a litter container, this one is the best way that'll make your lifestyle easier. This is probably your exceptional bet. Now, let's have a look at the third one, and let us see what you will get at this number. Hope you will find all of these options quite interesting and helpful for your lovely cat pet. Number 3. Premier Pet Auto Clean Litter Box. Automatic litter bins are absolutely convenient, but there are many customers who like a manual option because the automatic ones without everyday upkeep require enough odor manage function. With that said, the Premier Pet Auto Clean Litter Box system can be one of the best choices for an odor-controlling muddle box. And this is very convenient and easy to use once you plug it right into a wall. You have to simply fill the bin with cat litter and line the connected waste bin with a small trash bag. It works with clumping clay litter to switch waste onto a conveyor belt, after which into the waste bin, making for an effortless, simply mess loose disposal. But what makes this product stand out is its activated carbon strainer. The filter is designed to take in odors and maintain your property smelling sparkling. All you need to do is update the litter after a few weeks. The device comes with a year's delivery of carbon filters, and because you do not require to scoop or fill up the bin on an everyday basis, it makes use of much less litter than maximum conventional litter bins. And according to my own suggestion, this one is pretty cool, as my friend also has this one for his cat litter system. Number 4. CatGenie Self-Washing Self-Flushing Cat Box. So, if you have multiple cats, So this one is the most appropriate and convenient self-cleaning litter box. So this option is one for families with more than one cat. The CatGenie self-washing, self-flushing cat box is an exceptional choice. While it is priced barely more than different automated litter boxes, it may accommodate up to 3 mid-sized cats. Reminiscent of a real toilet, it sincerely flushes waste away and cleans itself after every use with a hot air function. Bear in mind that you will require an electrical outlet and a cold water hookup. For this reason, putting it up in your toilet or laundry room is probably your exceptional bet. Instead of real clutter, it makes use of septic secure cleanable granules that in no way want to change. When your cat is going to the lavatory, urine drains via the granules, and strong waste is liquefied and flushed away. After that, a sanitizing compound cleans the granules and tray. And similar to that, it is prepared for some other use. So, these options are really good and appropriate for cat litter systems. Now, it's time to wrap up this video. So if you like this video, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also comment down your most preferred litter box. Furthermore, there are links to these shared options are given, so you can check these links for further details.